How to create a CV in Canva. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can create a CV in Canva. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards your canva.com and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you're logged in, head towards the search bar on your interface. There you can type in resume or CV and search for it. Then you will see a wide range of customizable templates that you can use to create your own CV. Browse through the options and select the one that suits you. For now, I will just continue with the first one right here. After that, you can customize this template. So click on this button that says customize this template. Then you will land on here in this editing interface. Here you can click on any text box so that you could change your name, your job title, your contact information, experience, skills and education. If you want to change its font, you can select any text box and use the toolbar here in order to change its font style, size and color to match your preferences. If you want to remove or add any sections here, you have to click on the text box and now you can remove or add another text box if you want. Now you can personalize the design. You can change its color, you can add icons and upload your own photo. Right here, you can remove this picture and upload your own image. Once you're done editing this CV, if you want to download it, head towards the share button at the top right, click on it, and here now you can click on download. Here, choose your file format that you prefer. Here you can choose the PDF, which is the recommended or for the professional use. And once you're done, click on download button right here and your CV will be downloaded in your device and ready to use. So in this way you can create your CV in Canva, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.